What's up, everybody? It's a new day and a new episode of Swapped. Today we're picking up where we left off and getting the power plant for our S13 drift car build up. We've got a pile of new parts, mostly Toyota and some ARP, and we're gonna go from there.
Alright, right off the bat we got some new goodies. These are all the ARP head studs I got from XAT Racing. No affiliation, they just had the best prices I could find at the time of buying. Shipping was great, no problems there. Got the heads rebuilt by Heads by Drew in Aurora, Colorado. This was a while ago, just now opening him up though and checking him out. He did a great job. So in the package of ARP studs, it came with a note saying that you have to remove material from the top of the stud underneath the intake cam gears on the left and right banks. I didn't really want to grind away at my brand new ARP studs, and I don't know, I decided to take a different route. I did some measuring and some research on the internet, see if I can post some links, but basically, instead of grinding off the top of the stud, I removed some threads from the block and allowed the stud to sit further down into the block instead of damaging potentially the brand new studs. If I mess this up though, the block would have to go to the machine shop most likely. I could try and tap it myself, but getting that square and straight and trusting that to hold the heads down, I don't know about that. I'd rather have the machine shop do that. But it all worked out fine. I drilled it out after measuring here to make sure there was plenty of depth and everything. This is one of the factory head studs. You can see it sits pretty far down in there. I didn't get footage of the ARP studs, but they don't sit nearly as far as the stock studs stock bolts go into the block. That's how deep the hole is. You can see there's tons of room. So I measured off 6.5 millimeters is the amount of room I needed from my research on the internet. I didn't really measure it accurately, but that's one of the benefits of using a popular platform like the one using. Around the world, it's very popular, right up there with the LS, Chevy small blocks, and K series. But there it is. There's proof positive that the studs now sit low enough to clear the gears. It's all pretty standard stuff from here.
Yep.
Put a part on, torque the fasteners to spec. Next part, torque the fasteners to spec. I don't want you to think this is a comprehensive guide. This is just a build vlog. If you are looking for a tutorial, there's tons of other YouTubers out there to help you out. However, I'm not one of them. You're welcome to hang out with me in the shop though while I slap this thing together and listen to some music. And eventually, hopefully, we'll go drifting.
Yep.